Modern Siemens dishwashers have evolved significantly, especially the 2024 and 2025 models, which feature advanced smart connectivity and streamlined diagnostic capabilities. Understanding dishwasher resets can save you significant time and money. Proper reset knowledge allows you to resolve most common errors without calling a technician. There are three primary reset methods for Siemens dishwashers. Each method serves different purposes depending on the type of error you're experiencing. Siemens dishwashers display specific error codes that fall into four main categories. Understanding these categories helps you choose the right reset approach. Here's an example of what an error display looks like. This shows an E24 error, which is one of the most common drainage-related issues that can often be resolved with a proper reset. The most frequent errors requiring resets are E15 for water leaks, E24 for drainage issues, E22 for filter blockages, and E09 for heating problems. These four errors account for the majority of reset situations. Prevention is always better than cure. Regular maintenance, particularly monthly filter cleaning, can reduce error frequency by up to 60%. Here's what proper filter maintenance looks like. Understanding these reset fundamentals prepares you to tackle most dishwasher issues confidently. With this knowledge, you're ready to learn the specific reset procedures that can restore your Siemens dishwasher to proper working order. The most common and effective reset method is the basic power reset. This simple procedure resolves most dishwasher errors and should be your first troubleshooting step. Step 1. Turn off your dishwasher using the power button. Make sure the unit is completely powered down before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Unplug the dishwasher from the electrical outlet. This complete disconnection from power is crucial for a proper reset. Step 3. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows all internal capacitors to discharge and ensures a complete system reset. Step 4. Plug the dishwasher back in and power it on. Then run a test cycle to verify that the reset was successful and the error has been cleared. If the basic power reset doesn't resolve the issue, try a control panel reset. This method uses specific button combinations to reset the dishwasher's control system. First, press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. Keep it pressed while you perform the next step. While still holding start, simultaneously press the program and plus buttons. Hold all three buttons until the display shows 001 or resets completely. Finally, release all buttons and restart normal operation. The dishwasher should now be reset and ready to use. For persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This advanced procedure enters service mode and restores all settings to factory defaults. Seek professional help if errors persist after multiple reset attempts. If you notice physical damage to the control panel or door seals, electrical issues, burning odors, or water temperature problems. Modern Siemens dishwashers are becoming increasingly intelligent. Emerging trends include AI-powered diagnostics and voice-activated troubleshooting through smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Current Siemens dishwashers can self-diagnose 85% of common issues, with reset procedures becoming increasingly automated. This technology significantly reduces the need for service calls. Understanding these reset procedures not only saves time and money, but also extends your appliance's lifespan and improves overall user satisfaction. Regular maintenance combined with proper reset knowledge keeps your Siemens dishwasher running efficiently for years.